guys, so we did decide to go ahead and take this back wall down. We were going to move on to another project, but decided we need to get the rod out and go ahead and take the back walls down on the upstairs and the downstairs porch. You will see me standing around a lot. I was actually pretty useless for about a week because I did end up getting COVID again, so I wasn't my most helpful self for about a week, but I did what I could. So we did record quite a bit of video of this process, so I'm going to share that with you now. So I hope you enjoy it.
Humboldt honey picked, the house that can't be beat. We're renovating this place, we're gonna make it sweet. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion, gonna make you shine. Harold, oh Harold, you're the pain in my behind. With a funky new style, it's gonna make a stand. Bringing in new energy, it'll be the place to be. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion, gonna make you shine. Harold, oh Harold, you're the pain in my behind. With a funky new style, it's gonna make a stand. Bringing in new energy, it'll be the place to be. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion, gonna make you shine. Harold, oh Harold, you're the pain in my behind.
So you'll see a pretty big jump in progress. The camera did overheat and or run out of storage space. I don't know which it was. So you did miss part of the framing. But this process did take us about 3 days. I know with the time lapse it seems pretty quick, but it did take us several days to complete this part.
Milk's turning down the walls, gonna let it breathe from the ceiling to the floor, make it sparkle and gleam. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion, gonna make you shine. Harold, Harold, you're the pain in my behind. Built to 34, gonna paint it all, gonna make it cut from the windows to the walls. Gonna make you shine. Harold, Harold,
So we're upstairs in the sunroom. We just finished the back porch downstairs. The reason we tackled that at this time is because of rot and having to replace the seal beam downstairs. Kind of seemed like an important thing to get done. We were gonna hold off on this until we got a bathroom reinstalled and some wiring and plumbing done, but we are impatient and we like to see results, yeah. And we saw such good results with the one downstairs that we want to get this done upstairs too. Giving ourselves a week. We'll see. We have windows. You can see stacked up over here. These windows will replace the windows that are currently here. So basically, we're going to have to rebuild all the walls like we did downstairs in order to put these windows in. How many windows?
That we're putting in?
Yeah.
6 on this wall, 1 on that wall,
6.
7 total.
7 total. Pretty much there's not going to be much wall between each window because it is going to be a sunroom. As far as what else is going to go on in this room, I pretty much just paint because I'm going to just paint the floors, repaint the walls, paint the ceiling. Because it is probably, we may need to do something about the pipes down there, build a little pole wall out for those. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. It's super windy outside.
And it's about to be super windy inside.
Yeah.
This wall.
Hey, it's cooling it off in here. And that's the awesome thing. Once this is a sunroom, if it's kind of hot and we don't want to run air, open all these windows up, open our door, back porch door up, and it's going to let a breeze into the house. We can open the front windows in front of the house, have that cross breeze going, cool things down quite a bit. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I've already taken all the plastic and screen down up here, but I didn't record that because you know me. All right, I'm putting it on hyperlock so I can help Daryl.
I did it without breaking this piece.
Yay!
house that can't be beat. We're renovating this place. We're gonna make it sweet. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion. Gonna make you shine. Harold, oh Harold, you're the pain in my behind. With a funky new style, it's gonna make a stand. Bringing you energy, it'll be the place to be. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion. Gonna make you shine. Harold, oh Harold, you're the pain in my behind. We're tearing down the walls, gonna let it breathe from the ceiling to the floor, make it sparkle and gleam. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion, gonna make you shine. Harold, Harold, you're painting my behind. Built-in faith for, gonna paint it all, gonna make it good from the windows to the walls. Harold, oh Harold, Harold, renovating with passion, gonna make you shine. Harold, oh Harold, you're the pain in my behind. With a funky new style, it's gonna make a stand. Bringing new energy, it'll be the place to be. Harold, oh Harold, renovating with passion, gonna make you shine. Harold, oh Harold, you're the pain in my behind.
So somehow I didn't record what it looked like with all the windows in. We did get them all put in that night, and then the next day we came back and built this little roof over this brick wall. It was just a little flat metal thing, so this should be a lot better as far as keeping water out. So thanks for watching.